If you cook often, you're likely familiar with the issue of lingering smells and oily surfaces that can result from not having enough ventilation in the kitchen. The best solution to this is a range hood, an important appliance that can make all the difference in the cleanliness of your kitchen. A range hood can also add a point of focus to the kitchen, so aesthetics can play a big part in selecting one. Other considerations include noise, mount type, and what type of vent system is required. We researched the best kitchen range hoods and compared their features, construction, and performance to determine their placement on this list. Number 5. Brone. Easy installation. With the included EZ1 clips, this insert is easy to install for both professionals and dyers. Stainless liner extension accommodates up to 13 inches deep cabinets. Available extensions accommodate cabinets up to 15 inches deep. Ideal airflow. At 3 zone level of sound, this insert is about as loud as a typical conversation, and is controlled with a 2-speed rocker switch or an ADA-compliant wall remote, sold separately, built-in power pack insert. This insert provides efficient ventilation for your kitchen, quickly removing smoke and odors from your space with a 2-speed blower at 300 max blower CFM. LED light. One-level bright LED lighting provides a better view of your cooktop, no matter the time of day. Quick cleanup. The dishwasher-safe aluminum mesh microfilters and stainless steel finish will not discolor, simplifying the cleaning process. Number 4. House lane. Contemporary design. Whether you're remodeling your entire kitchen or just upgrading appliances, this sleek stainless steel heavy-duty range hood with its convenient digital screen and baffle filters will fit in perfectly and stand the test of time. Choose from matte white, matte black, and stainless steel powerful suction. Lingering odors in your kitchen? A thing of the past. Prevent toxic and harmful chemicals with customizable ventilation and suction. Ideal for heavy-duty cooking including heat and smoke, boiling, steaming, poaching, braising, frying, searing, and sautéing. Save money with 3-way venting. Keep your project simple and save you money. Choose from 3 venting options fit your current ductwork. Vertical 6 inches round, vertical 3:1, 4 inches by 10 inches rectangular, or horizontal 3:1, 4 inches by 10. Fits 6 inches round duct or 3-1/4 x by 10 inches rectangular duct. Highly customizable settings. Customize its performance through 6-speed settings to set suction and noise levels. The standard 2700K light color gives off a warm glow but can be swapped out to match your kitchen's lighting scheme. Easy to maintain and use. Simply pop the easy-to-remove stainless steel baffle filters into the dishwasher to clean. Buttonless design with touch screen and delay shutoff makes everyday use simple. 6-speed setting allows you to control the power and noise. Number 3. FOTILE. Powerful and quiet. Listed 400 in maximum static pressure and as low as 37 decibels in noise level with our signature Wisp Power aerodynamic technologies, which can boost the suction power up to 850 CFMs with less energy consumed, covering 6 square feet or a 4 to 6 burner cooktop with ease. Air management system. The Pixie Air Range hood will automatically detect harmful organic gases or noxious fumes and vent them out of the house. Motion control. Wave to turn on, off the range hood. No more greasy fingerprints on the panel during the cooking. Select among 4 fan speeds based on the level of cooking smoke, or turn on your LED lights to light up your cooktop surface with touchscreen control panel. Easy to clean. Built with food-grade stainless steel that resists grease, stains, or rusts. The detachable capture shield can be removed and cleaned thoroughly in the dishwasher. 5 years warranty. FOTILE is offering 5-year limited warranty on range hood products, including a 2-year full warranty on all parts and labor, and a 3-year limited warranty on all parts of FOTILE range hood products. Our customer support team will always be here for any inquiries. Number 2. IKTCH. IKTCH wall mount range hood is made from stainless steel, which has an elegant appearance and comes with remote control. The novel gesture sensing function gives you a whole new experience. Maximum 900 CFM large airflow with good balance fans efficiently removes large amounts of smoke and cooking odors with ease from the air in your kitchen. Customize your kitchen stove vent with the 4-speed setting to play with the suction and noise level. The noise level is at 40 decibels on the lowest setting and only 65 decibels max noise level. 2 PC's 3-watt LED lights, adjustable brightness to meet your cooking need, can also save energy in your kitchen while emitting enough lights. Includes 2 matching dishwasher safe and easy removable stainless steel permanent filters to trap cooking grease and oil. Number 1. Cosmo. Built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost care, Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health-efficient airflow. 380 CFM removes smells and odors with ease for a clean kitchen. Ducted range hood vents outside and away from your home. Converts to ductless range hood with carbon filter kit. Purchase part CFK1TM, sold separately. Noise level as low as 50 decibels on lowest fan speed with rigid ducting, sold separately under optimal conditions. Range hood comes with flexible ducting for convenient installation. Superior filtration. Includes 2 matching dishwasher safe, stainless steel arc flow permanent filters to trap cooking grease and oil. Save money on range hood filters every year. Touch control panel. Range hood equipped with high-tech LCD soft touch control panel to manage multiple functions, including 3 fan speeds and LED lighting for added visibility. 3 YEAR limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Range hood dimensions: 30 in. W by 18.5 in. D X adjustable 21.5 in. 39.2 in. H electrical 120 volts.